Hello comrades, in this video I'm going to help you create stronger passwords. We are always being asked to make complicated passwords, and this is because it can take a computer less than 5 seconds to break into a password that is only 8 characters or fewer. But how can we make a password that is long, easy to remember, but also difficult for a hacker to guess and then get into our accounts? When it comes to creating stronger, longer passwords, we should always try and aim for a minimum of 15 characters. And the best way to achieve this is to combine 3 random words. By having a password that is minimum 15 characters, it will take a computer gazillion years to break into your account. But how do you create and remember a password that is at least 15 characters long? Well, look around you. Do you see any objects that you could use to combine and make that password? For example, television, handbag, Louboutins. So by combining those 3 words of those 3 random objects, it would take a computer 17 octillion years to work out and break into my account. So remember guys, always generate a password that is at least 15 characters long, and to do this, think of 3 random words, because those 3 random words you will always remember, and incorporate random characters in there. For example, special characters, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and no one will be able to get into your account. And for extra security, use multi-factor authentication. This was discussed in a previous video, and that is the last line of defense. I hope you found this video very useful. Remember, passwords are going to be here forever, so it's very important that we have good password hygiene for our online accounts. Stay safe guys, and if you have any questions or comments, do get in touch. I'm always available for you. Take care.